So we have some operators in SQL, which is arithmetic operators, relational operators, and logical operators. In arithmetic operators, we have add, minus, multiplication, we have divide, and we have mod. And in relational operators, we have smaller than is equal to, greater than is equal to. We have equality operators. We have assignment operator. We have not equal to, and this is the two type by which we can use the not equal to operator: arithmetic operators, relational operators, and logical operators. In logical operators, we have AND operator, OR operator, not, and or not, in, like, between, is null, and the same one, not. So we have in logical operator and or not, in, like, between, is null, not.